Henan Lewin Industrial Development Company Limited is a quality oil equipment supplier. Our main products are hydraulic oil press machine, screw oil press machine, oil seed roasting machine, and other oil equipment. Our hydraulic model oil presser equipped double hydraulic system that provides strong power and 60 MPa high pressure to the press kettle. It supports cold and hot processing. Perfect 0.34 millimeter size oil line offers health food grade oil directly. Smart temperature control system with digital display. One button controls the whole machine. Very easy to operate. It also equipped 5 safety protection devices to protect operator and machine safe enough. Our oil presser widely used for processing sesame, flaxseed, mustard seed, avocado, walnut, almond, coconut, and other oil material. Another main product is Screw Model Cold and Hot Oil Presser. It equips L-type oil cake feeding system, which achieves the second pressing automatically to improve the working efficiency and oil yield. Larger motor offers stronger power to pressing kettle. Make sure the material can be squeezed completely, reduce the oil residue, and improve the oil yield. It equips 2 vacuum filter system. The crude oil after the vacuum oil filter can reach to the food grade directly. We can provide other associated equipment such as seed roasting machine, vibrating screen, feeding machine, oil filling machine, and solutions for oil factory. Quality products, best service, welcome the customers all over the world to visit and cooperate with us.